In this lesson, we are going to complete the square of the general quadratic function. First of all, let's look at what quadratic function is. Quadratic function is a polynomial function of degree 2, which is of the form f of x equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, where the coefficient of x squared, which is a, is not equal to 0, and a, b, and c are real numbers. Note, if a is equal to 0, the whole of this term tends to 0, and this will not give us the quadratic function. We have the general quadratic function, which is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. We are going to complete the square for this function. First of all, we make the coefficient of x squared 1. So to make the coefficient of x squared 1, we factor a out, leaving x squared plus b on a, x plus c on a. So when we expand by a, we are getting the original function. The next step is we multiply half by the coefficient of x, which is b on a. And this is given as 1 multiplied by b is b, 2 multiplied by a is 2a. Also, when we divide the coefficient of x by 2, so b on a all on 2, we are also going to get b on 2a. So in this case, we add the square, half the square of the coefficient of x, which is b on 2a squared, and we subtract b on 2a all squared plus c on a. This gives us a x plus b on 2a all squared minus, let's expand with the square, which is b squared on 2 squared is 4 and a squared is a squared plus c on a. Take note, x plus b on 2a all squared is given as x plus b on 2a plus multiply by x plus b on 2a. This gives us x multiplied by x is x squared plus x multiplied by b on 2a is given as bx plus b on 2a multiplied by x is given as b on 2ax plus b on 2a multiplied by b on 2a is given as b on 2a all squared. This gives us x squared plus b on 2ax plus b on 2ax. They are having a common denominator of 2a. So therefore, we add the numerator. So b plus b is given as 2b all on the common denominator 2ax plus b on 2a all squared. 2 will cancel 2, leaving b on a x plus b on 2a all squared. So we can realize that the whole of this is giving us the whole of this. So in short, we have rewritten this in the form of this. So this gives us a x plus b on 2a all squared minus b squared on 4a squared plus c on a. So take note, when we have negative b squared on 4a squared plus c on a, let's take the LCM. A 4a squared. 4a squared divided by 4a squared is giving us 1. 1 multiplied by negative b squared is giving us negative b squared plus 4a squared divided by a is giving us 4a multiplied by c, which is 4ac. So the whole of this is giving us negative b squared plus 4ac all on 4a squared. So this gives us a bracket open. We have x plus b on 2a all squared minus b squared plus 4ac all on 4a squared. This gives us, now we are going to expand with the a. You can realize that in the initial step, we factor a out, but in this case, we are going to expand with a. So this is giving us a x plus b on 2a all squared. A will cancel one of the a, giving us negative b squared plus 4ac all on 4a. So this is the general quadratic formula after completing the square. We can introduce some variables here. X plus d all squared plus k, where d is equal to b on 2a and then k is equal to negative b squared plus 4ac all on 4a.